Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to enable or disable vertical axis value of chart in Excel. Let's get started. At first, create a chart. Select the data, go to the insert menu. Select the recommended chart option. Now I am enable the chart and click OK. Now we want to enable or disable the vertical axis value. Select the chart, go to the chart design menu, select the add element. Now we can see here the axis. We can add the primary horizontal or the vertical axis. Now I am select the vertical axis. We can see we enable this, otherwise you can disable this. Go back again and select the axis and remove this axis. Now we can see we enable or disable the vertical axis of chart value in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.